Penny Laurable says, I disagree. 6 cents is the bottom. The amount of shorting and selling that needs to take place to hit 2 cents is quite a lot. Dogecoin. Let's take a quick look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Doge against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Yeah, Dogecoin is dropping lower and lower. Against BTC, we've already taken out these lows. We had high hopes over here. We were hoping for something like this and a breakout, but we're dropping lower. So yeah, it's just not really looking that good though for Dogecoin. Right, against the USD pair, you think that 6 cents is the lowest? Okay, let me just Doge USDT perpetuals. Okay, now I'm putting on my bullish lenses, and I want to look at this from a bullish perspective. I want to look at Dogecoin from a bullish perspective. How in the world is this a bullish chart? Let me just draw some lines, right? So we are going to assume that this is the falling channel that came for Doge, right? And this is the falling channel breakout. Pew! Right? If you were to pull down the support over here, right? Falling channel, beautifully falling, right? Quite symmetrical as it's falling. The support and resistance. We broke out, we retest, then we went down and down and down. Right? We keep forming lower lows, and lower lows. Where is the bullish move coming? Wait. So the point is, our assumption is that falling channels usually break higher, right? More likely than not, we'll be expecting a break towards the upside. And again, even the resistance and the support line, they're quite parallel to each other. So again, could this be a breakout eventually for Dogecoin towards the upside? Sure, you could be right, of course. But then again, right? If we were to pull a support line across over here, this is just too obvious for me to ignore because I'm going to assume that this whole thing is a mountain number 1 and this whole thing is a mountain number 2. If we were to muck around and do nothing, right, and don't break out, right, if we don't break out soon, very likely we're going to head lower, right? And if you were to head lower, I'm expecting this low, and this low to be wiped out, to be swept, the bottom to be swept, and then maybe we might see some sort of a reversal. But at the same time, there is zero support over here, right? I think I mentioned this before. Zero support. The next level of support is at 1.3 cents, where this little before we had a deep lower. This is where support comes in. So from our perspective, right, from the normal perspective, yeah, our target is actually towards 2 and 2.2 cents. We're actually being very conservative with our targets. We are not targeting 1 cent, right? If the elevator goes down to 1 cent, we're getting out at 2 cents, not 1 cent. And this is a very clear head and shoulders that we've already broken out from, right? And we've already retested the resistance. And we're anticipating more downside still at this point of time. Again, like I was saying, if we muck around, this is just going to be a continuation chart pattern as we head lower. That's my expectation, right? At what point would I be considered wrong? Yeah, break back up above the resistance line, break back up above the skinny pink line, stay above the skinny pink line, form a very clear ascending triangle, right? Value 1, value 2, get a value 3, that's it. Reversal. Very clear reversal chart pattern. And then only after when I see this, will I be making an entry over here to go long and probably get out somewhere around here. That is what I'm going to do. Because at this point of time, I am still buyers bearish for Doge against USDT. And I think that there is still more downside. Could I be wrong? Of course. This is trading. And there are two parts when it comes to trading, right? Risk management and chart pattern analysis, technical analysis, basically. So technical analysis allows you to spot market inefficiencies and to take advantage of the inefficiencies, and that is what you call an edge, right? All profitable traders have an edge, and this is a technical analyst's edge in identifying chart patterns, because chart patterns tell a story. So and basically what we're trying to do is to follow the footsteps of the whale. again, I'm not the one who is manipulating the price, right? There are whales in play over here, and every chart has a personality, right? Every chart has a personality. Dogecoin has its own personality. ETHUSD, BTC USD, all coins have their own personality. So, yeah, but anyway, my point being that you could be right, basically. I'm going on full circle just to tell you, you could be right.